Hey, what's up? This is
Hi.
Joseph.
Joseph Restaurant.
At Barbados.
First Street.
First Street. Everybody's welcome here from all over the world, right?
Correct, that's right.
From Africa,
Germany.
Germany, from Saudi Arabia, Philippines, thank you for your love, China, Japan, Australia, all the places in the world. I love you, take care of nature, and I see you catching anacondas, man. See you in the Caribbean. Say hello, how you say hello in Belgium?
Hello.
Hello, man.
Hello, man. There's a two bed here.
I can get the music. No, you want the music already? I talk. Would you like to hear some music now?
Oh, okay, that's what he meant. That's in English. What?
But I just spoke English you at first.
Yes, that's
I
right.
thought you music. No, you know what I say? Song.
Hey, Ozzy, you know Tom Candy? That's English, man. One day I upload in video with the turtles and you told me I cannot understand Spanish. No, this is English, right?
Hablo poquito de español solamente.
Un poquito de español para los españoles.
Je parle un petit peu de français aussi.
Ah, je ne parle
Ouais, so,
français.
non, bien, you want to hear that, right?
Besos, mon chéri, mon ami.
Para watching sincerely.